In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do bank reconciliation in ERPNext. Bank reconciliation is a crucial process for ensuring that your company's financial records align perfectly with your bank statements. It helps identify any discrepancies, errors, or potential fraud in your accounts, thereby safeguarding your financial integrity. So, let's dive into the process of performing a bank reconciliation using ERPNext. First, you'll want to navigate to the Bank Reconciliation tool within ERPNext. To do this, head over to the Accounting module, and once you're there, select Bank Statement. From here, you will see the option for the Bank Reconciliation tool. This is your starting point for aligning your company's bank records with your actual bank statements. It might seem a bit technical at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to make this as seamless as possible. Now, let's set up the necessary details. Begin by entering the name of your company. It's essential to ensure that you have the right company selected, especially if you're managing accounts for multiple entities within your ERPNext system. Once you've got that in, proceed to specify the bank account you're reconciling. This part ensures that the reconciliation is tied to the correct account, as different accounts can have different statements and transactions. Next up, you'll provide the statement from and to dates. These dates will specify the period you're reconciling, essentially the range of dates covered by your bank statement. Make sure these align closely with the physical bank statement you have on hand to prevent any mismatches. It usually helps to cross-check the dates a couple of times just to be completely sure of the period you are reviewing. After that, it's time to enter the opening balance. This is crucial as it sets the stage for your reconciliation process. This figure should be directly taken from your ledger and represents the balance at the period's start. Entering the incorrect opening balance might lead to discrepancies or confusion later on, so ensure accuracy here. Following the opening balance, you'll input the closing balance. This number should match exactly with the closing balance shown on your bank statement for the same period. Having the correct closing balance is vital as it confirms the accuracy of the ending figures on both your ledger and the bank statement. Once you've entered all the necessary details, it's time to save the form. With ERPNext, the system will automatically display any imported lines below, and if everything matches up, you should see a confirmation of zero difference. This means your records are perfectly in sync with your bank statement, an ideal scenario for any reconciliation process. If there's any discrepancy, ERPNext will highlight it, allowing you to investigate further. This tool is incredibly efficient for catching errors early and ensuring your financial records are in line with what the bank has. And there you have it, a complete guide to bank reconciliation in ERPNext. With this process, you'll be able to maintain precise financial records and gain valuable insights into your company's fiscal health. Happy reconciling!